Hello artists, we're going to be creating a composition with a repeated shape. So in this example, I'm using a popsicle stick and I am repeating the shape over and over again, overlapping the shape with the other shapes that I have created. When I started doing this, I was going diagonal, and then I decided I kind of like horizontal and vertical better. So you decide how you want to lay out your popsicle stick or whatever image it is you're repeating. So you can see here through time lapse, I am almost done. I have to get the whole thing filled up, and there we go. I have my layout here, and I decided I wanted to go more vertical horizontal. I tried some diagonal and I just really wasn't very happy with that, but that's okay. And so now I've got some markers. You could use a lot of different media for this. I'm just going to use markers today, but I'm choosing a cool color scheme. You could choose warm, you could do secondary colors, primary colors, but you need to have a color scheme. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one color at a time and I'm going to jump around and I'm going to color with just one color at a time. And you might be asking yourself, well, why? Why would I do that? Why not just, have one color and then pick another color? Well, if you just stay with one color at a time, you're going to go faster. Now you can see I am coloring in solid in areas, but I'm also going to be doing some patterns. Oh, look at that pattern. All right, so I'm doing some patterns in areas as well as coloring in solid. Patterns are always good. Ooh, here's another pattern. Any repeated shape would be a pattern. And again, I'm staying with the same color so I don't have to waste my time capping and uncapping. And you might say to yourself, oh, that's not such a waste of time. Well, yeah, it kind of is. Okay, then I also have my negative space in here that I need to do something with. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to echo what I already have and just do something like this. You could do that. You could also do like some dots. Okay, now I'm going to switch to another color and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'll fast forward through this. Make sure, whatever material you're using, you're having good technique with it.